Hello, how are you today? I hope this video finding you well. My name is Najwa Imania. I'm a student at IIC Sanata Dharma Yogyakarta. In this video, I would like to tell to you about a special story, and the story is about an object that has a meaningful memories for me. Can you guess the object? And yeah, the object is my passport. Can you see it? I think it is just an ordinary Indonesian passport. It has green color, dark green color, and the in front of the cover has a golden Garuda picture, the nationality symbol of Indonesia. When I open the first page, I can see my personal information like my photo, my full name, my nationality, and my another personal information. This is very beautiful because each page on this passport has different picture. For example, when I open pages 10, I can see the picture of ondel-ondel, one of the culture in Indonesia. You know ondel-ondel, and yeah, ondel-ondel is the culture of Indonesia in Betawi. And on another page has different picture like flora, fauna, and places in Indonesia. And my passport is small and thin. Because it is small and thin, I think it easy to carry on my back. Although this is small object, this passport has a story behind. Actually, I remember I made my first passport while I was in my busy time, because at the time I was preparing for my final examination in my junior high school. I remember it made me touched and happy because at the time my parents didn't tell me before and gave me surprise and told me surprisingly and suddenly. During the trip, I visited to two countries, Makkah country and Madinah country. I and my family visited a lot of places. For example, I went to Masjidil Haram Mosque. Masjidil Haram Mosque is the most popular mosque in Makkah, and usually people pray at that place for a while time. And I also visited to Ka'bah and I saw it for the first time. Ka'bah is the building in the middle Masjidil Haram, and it is also popular place for Muslim people. Besides that, I also visited to Dates Garden and saw many camels, and I tried their milk, and I think the taste is very strong for me, and I think I prefer to drink cold milk than camel's milk. And yeah, this is why my passport is very important to me and memorable to me, because this is not an ordinary travel document, but it is a memorable and precious thing for me. After my long trip to those two countries, I kept my passport very carefully in a safe place. And yeah, my passport still good and not broke. And yeah, this is the end of my video. That's all my story behind my passport. So even though this passport just a small thing, small object, it carries so many memories for me. It reminds me about my first long trip, my first journey, my first long trip abroad, a beautiful journey spirit with my family. And it is not just a travel document, it is a piece of my story. Thank you so much for listening my story, and goodbye.